Sorry guys, I couldn't find my phone. So I got the Morse code, but don't worry about the date. I can still do more. Okay, let's see here. Let's see if you can guess it without it. Did you guess it? Without cheating? You promise you didn't cheat. Okay? Let me just want to pause.